Quick video on me testing out a new tool I just got. It's a Motion Pro Tappet adjuster. Instead of using a separate screwdriver and socket and wrench, it's all in one tool. This one's in the 10mm to fit our bikes, Interceptor. And this part is slotted to fit the slot head on top of our valve. I've been using one of these to do it, but this is slightly thicker. When I use this, there's some still play left in there because it's not wide enough. You can see that. With this one being thicker, it's pretty much spot on. I can barely move it at all. What you do, obviously, back it off, put your slot in, turn it till it drops in, like that. Put your feeler gauge in. This is the 0.18 for the exhaust valve. Slide it in there. Turn it to a desired friction there. Like that, it's good. Now you hold on to that, don't let it move. And maybe a little bit tighter than that. This is a lot easier than holding on to one of these things. You can't really put a big screwdriver in it because you don't have the room. But this makes it easier. There you go. Job done. Well, I already did all the other ones. Just want to show it to you from the camera. So yeah, I like it. They're not a sponsor. I just bought this myself. Cost me $38 with tax and the shipping. I bought it directly from Motion Pro, but you can get it on eBay and other places. They sell a set of these, but I don't need a set. I just need the one that'll fit the bike. They make other ones of these for other bikes that have a square hole in it. Ours is slotted, so yeah, it's perfect. And there you go.